It's Tuesday, September 18th, out on Bird Key. Just a little update on the red tide. The dead fish are back in the bay floating. The smell out here is really, really strong. Really strong. I'll walk under the bridge and see if there's any dead fish piled up there. But the dead fish have been here all along, walking the bridge. There are some, but it's been worse. It smells pretty strong. So, see what it's like the next time I come out here.